Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye, student of Britsang Institute, batch of 15th in Pharma. Today I will discuss about the air pollution. Air pollution is a pressing environmental issues that affects the quality of the air we breathe. It is caused by the release of harmful substances into the atmosphere, leading to a range of health and environmental impact. Causes of the air pollution. There are certain types of causes of air pollution: industrial emission, vehicle emission, agriculture activities, burning of fossil fuels. They are industrial emission. Factories and industrial facilities release pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and a particular matter. Vehicle emissions are exhaust from cars, trucks, and other vehicles contributes to air pollution through the release of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Agriculture practices including the use of fertilizer and pesticides release ammonia and other pollutants into the air. Burning of fossil fuels, the combustions of coal, oil, and natural gas of energy production is a major sources of air pollution. There are certain types of effects on air pollution. They are health impact, environmental damage, climate changes. Health impact is air pollution is linked to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and an increased risk of the lungs cancer. Environmental damages are pollutants in the air contribute to acid rain, smoke formation, and damage to ecosystems and wildlife. Climate changes are certain air pollutants such as greenhouse gases contribute to global warming and climate changes. There are certain types of solutions to air pollution. Transition to clean energy, improved transformation, regulation and policies, public awareness and education. Transistor to clean energy is investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power can reduce release of fossil fuels. Improved transformation is encouraging the use of public transportation, electric vehicles, and biking, walking, and reduce vehicle emissions. Regulation and policies are implementing and enforcing air quality standards and emission controls for industries and vehicles. Public awareness, educating the public about the impact of air pollutions and promoting sustainable practices. Addressing our pollution requires the multifaceted approach involving government action, technological innovations, and individual responsibility. By working together, we can mitigate the impact of air pollution and create a healthier environment for a future generation. Let's start by understanding what air pollution is. Air pollution occurs when harmful substances such as pollutants and particulate matter are released into the air. This can come from various sources, including vehicles, processes, and even natural sources like wildlife. Now let's break down the different types of air pollutants. There are sources from carbon monoxide to nitrogen dioxide. Each has its own set of sources and adverse effects. We will also touch upon indoor air pollution and its often overlooked impact on our health. The consequences of air pollution are widespread. It affects not only our respiratory health but also the environment. From smoke covered cities to acid rain, we will explore the tangible impacts of air pollution on our daily lives and the planet. Uh, uh, there are global initiatives and a solution in a place to combat air pollution. Lifestyle changes that each of us adopt to contribute to cleaner air. Small changes collectively make a big differences. Then, as we wrap up, it a crucial to recognize that air pollution is a shared responsibility. By raising awareness, understanding its sources, and taking actions, we can make strides towards a cleaner, healthier environment of ourselves and a future generation. Remember, every breath matter. uh, Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, take care and breathe easy. Thank you.